Hello Mewis, welcome to my channel's first video. Let's be honest, makeup without a complete eyelash looks dry for sure. So let's talk about lashes, but in manga style. Yes, like in manga how you find lashes, but that doesn't mean we won't talk about normal lashes. Cause before making manga lashes you need to know what is lashes and how it's works, so I have made this video in 5 parts. 1. What are eyelash? 2. Eyelashes length, volume, curl type. 3. Different between manga lashes and normal lashes. 4. Manga lashes DIY and apply. 5. How to take care of lashes. They are also quite different than the DIY lash extensions or strip lashes you can purchase. Eyelash extensions are designed to be lighter on the eyes and a lot more natural looking. When using lash extensions, especially if it's the first time, you might fear having unnatural results or allergic reactions. This is why it is necessary to consider all the factors before using eyelash extensions to get your desired look.
Eyelash extensions are a cosmetic enhancement that involves attaching synthetic or natural hair fibers to the natural eyelashes to create a fuller, more dramatic look. They are applied by a professional using a specialized adhesive and can last for several weeks with proper care.
When choosing eyelash extensions, the rule of thumb is that the extension should be 3 mm to 5 mm longer than your natural lashes. Moreover, the diameter of the extensions should be as close as possible to the diameter of your natural lashes. The thicker the diameter is than that of your natural lashes, the more drastic the change will be. Volume lashes gained their popularity in 2010. People wanted more than just length and curl in lash extensions. Volume is achieved by applying multiple extensions to a single lash. However, every extension is made lighter and thinner than the previous one. The lashes used in this case are extremely lightweight. Therefore, they give darker and softer results without damaging the natural lashes. Volume lashes are defined by the number of individual lash extensions that are clustered together into a fan. Most artists use a number plus the letter D to show how many lashes are in a fan. 3D, for instance, would be 3 individual lashes clustered together to make a fan. 2D, 4D give a lighter, more natural-looking volume style. 4D to 8D are used when to create a more voluminous and dramatic look. Additionally, they are ideal if you have naturally strong lashes. There are several types of eyelash extensions, such as B curl, C curl, D curl, and the L plus curl. The B curl is the most natural-looking curl.
Suitable if you have straight lashes and requires a little lifting. The C curl fits almost all eye types and is thus the most popular curl. If you have thin natural lashes but would love them to appear more open and fuller, go for the C curl. D curl is perfect when you want to achieve a dramatic look. Additionally, it is best if you have naturally curly lashes since it resembles a semicircle. Finally, the L and L plus curl a flat base and then lifts upwards. Choose this curl if you have single eyelids, hooded eyes, and lashes pointing downward and straight.
Next, manga lashes are characterized by spiky, individual lash strands that stand out amongst shorter feathery, wispy lashes, unlike most other lash styles that extend the natural lashes uniformly. Manga lashes have clear lash peaks. Individual lash strands are longer and more prominent than the others. This webtoon lash style also emphasizes the lower lashes in a similar way, with individual lash segments lengthening the bottom strands. The effect is a lovely, exaggerated doll-eye look that is similar to the lashes that female manga characters have. You won't require many products to achieve the manga lash effect. Wondering what kind of lashes are these? Allow us to walk you through it. In Japanese comic books, you will come across many characters with eyelashes that tend to grow into pointy clusters. The lashes are spaced out along the top and bottom lash lines, which creates a spiky look. The manga lashes beauty trend draws inspiration from this look. And now finally, how to DIY this. There are 2 ways you can do this. In first one, the separate eyelashes like this you have to buy. In second one, you can DIY it by yourself. 1. Lift your lashes with an eyelash curler. 2. Squeeze eyelash glue onto the back of your hand. 3. Apply individual lashes to your natural ones. 4. Fill in the gaps with lightweight cluster lashes. 5. Don't neglect your bottom lashes. Apply the individual lashes to your lower lashes. How do you take care of eyelash extensions? Considering that eyelash extensions make you pop, it is crucial to take good care of them to make them last longer and get the value of your money. Aftercare is important for the first 48 hours after the application to allow the glue to cure. Watch out for any sensitivity and itching within the first 24 hours. In case you experience these, glue has not yet set. Rubbing your eyes could also transfer germs to lashes, leading to infections of your eyes. After 48 hours, it is safe to touch or rub your eyes.